I got those size. How many different sizes you got? 3?
There should only be 2
Small,
different
medium, and
sizes.
large.
No, 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 no.
How many
There's
small
just
ones do you
small
need?
and big. We need 8.
Good morning, all you YouTubers out there. Rich here from Creating a Simple Life. As part of the Stay Home #WithMe movement on YouTube, I thought I'd make a little video of another DIY project here in my garage. So this is just a quick video of a wine rack made from repurposed pallet wood. I hope you like this video, and if you do, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe for more. And remember, stay at home, save lives. Thanks for watching.
That means that you want this hole to be, we need a diameter less than the top of this, but bigger than this area right here. So what is this? So we want our circle to be about 1 inch, I'm gonna say. This way, if they get any other wine glasses and they swap them out someday, they're still good. What's this measure, the top of this?
I have a 1-inch bit. Just drill a hole through it. I'm going to use this step bit. I don't know, it's a bit of an experiment. I got the tape on there, right where it's at 1 inch. Cracked both of those, but I think with a little wood glue, these clamps, I'm going to take a break and let it dry overnight. This piece I just need to cut. I'm going to cut the thickness of a board off of this, like that, so this piece can actually hide the front. That's what we want to do. I've decided that I like the 45 look right there. That's the way it's going to be. These 2 blocks in here are just spacers for what I'm going to do for the wine glasses. I think that's the spacing I'm going to do. This is what it looks like pre-assembly before I put it together. I'm gonna probably make this middle, I'll put that middle section together first. And I'm probably gonna nip off these corners. I don't like the sharp corners. I'm gonna square those off. I was having trouble with the stain being very blotchy on the pine, so I went and I bought some of this pre-stain conditioner. appreciate you watching this far. Unfortunately, I lost the video footage of the finishing up of the project. I used some spray polyurethane, that Krylon satin finish, and so I just put a few pictures in of the finished product. But the music was pretty good though, wasn't it? I thought so. Thanks for watching. Subscribe for more videos, and we'll see you on the next one.